Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail.
Among the many e-commerce platforms available online today, Shopify is the most popular for both big and small online businesses. Shopify is an online e-commerce platform that allows you to create your own online store. It's ideal for small businesses that sell both digital and physical products. One of the biggest benefits of Shopify for small business owners is that it's a hosted solution, which means that you, as the business owner, don't need advanced technical skills to quickly create and manage an online store.
Shopify offers dozens of templates that are user-friendly and can be customized to match your brand. Shopify is a software as a service. There is no software to download or update, you simply pay a monthly subscription fee. Shopify is a subscription to a software service that offers you to create a website and use their shopping cart solution to sell, ship, and manage your products. Using their service, you can get access to easy-to-use admin panel where you can add products, process orders, and enter store data.
Shopify is a subscription to a software service that offers you to create a website and use their shopping cart solution to sell, ship, and manage your products. Shopify is the tool that provides you the platform to build your very own online store. It might not be for everyone, but if you need to run a multi-product e-commerce store with inventory, marketing tools, customer records, etc., then Shopify is absolutely worth it.
Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that helps people set up their own online store and sell products on multiple channels. Here are the basic steps on how to sell on Shopify and get you a highly converting store. 1. Set up your Shopify account. 2. Enter a domain address. 3. Select a Shopify theme. 4. Add products. 5. Install apps to support and expand your business. 6. Market your business and optimize for conversion.
Shopify is one of the best hosted solutions for those wishing to create an online store, and arguably the best for anyone who wants to use one product to sell online and in a physical location. It's also particularly good for users who are interested in dropshipping. Shopify is a great cloud-based choice with low startup costs and an easy-to-use interface from which you can promote, sell, and ship your products.
Shopify is the top e-commerce platform on the market today. It's designed to help people build their own, scalable online store with hundreds of built-in features, and tons of apps. You can sell products directly on your website, and across multiple marketplaces and social media. If you think that you can sell and get business just by listing products on your store and without doing much effort, then you can't achieve success.
Shopify's plans seem affordable at first glance, but once you start digging deeper, you'll realize it can be quite costly to launch your e-commerce business. Shopify is relatively easy to learn, especially if running a fairly standard e-commerce store. For someone experienced with Shopify, it's possible to get a great-looking shop set up with multiple payment options, fulfillment integrations, and marketing apps within a day. The competition between thousands of digital businesses is getting tighter. It does not mean that once you opt to use Shopify as your jumpstart platform, your sales will automatically grow. You still need to go through the toughest part of the business, marketing your products.
Online or digital marketing is the most convenient and reliable way to sell products today. Though traditional marketing or word of mouth is still an excellent approach, advertising via different social media channels is much better. It is also easier since anyone can connect Shopify to various social media. For one to have steadily increased sales, optimizing the use of your chosen platform is crucial.
For beginners, here are some useful techniques to use the power of Shopify to its extent. Shopify is a flexible e-commerce platform that can easily integrate with other services. As a Shopify user, you will not worry about hosting issues, server maintenance, as well as how to present your brand to your customers. All this is taken care of by the Shopify auxiliary applications available for use. Shopify allows you to easily customize and manage your online store right from stock management to shipping to customer contact management.
At its core, Shopify is designed to help business owners with no coding or web design knowledge to create on their own a beautiful e-commerce store that is mobile-friendly and full of features that for ease of use. The challenge of designing a website has been resolved by the Shopify e-commerce platform. Shopify is the choice for startups and established businesses alike. The platform is designed with the store owner and the customers in mind.
The ability to integrate Shopify with other platforms makes it flexible and easy to use. Not all online entrepreneurs are tech-savvy. As such, most entrepreneurs fear to start their own e-commerce stores because of the difficulty they would experience in creating an e-commerce platform. Shopify provides you with a platform where you do not have to understand coding. They have taken care of the hosting and servers. All you need is your products and the name of your online shop.
After going through several tutorials on their website, you will take minutes to set up your own online store. You just head to the Shopify website and register an account with them, that's it. From there, you only need to customize your store and upload the images of your products. It is easier than creating a blog on WordPress. Once you have uploaded your products on the platform, you can edit descriptions, customize color schemes, and add titles to your images.
It is easy to manage your inventory from the Shopify dashboard, offer discounts, and track orders and sales, as well as manage your transactions. Shopify takes care of everything you need to run a successful online shop. It's secure and reliable. The other thing that keeps online shop owners awake is the security of their online store. Nobody wants to wake up to the news of hacking on his or her online store. There is too much information contained on your platform, not just your own private information but also your clients' information.
The security and reliability of any online platform is critical to any online store's success. Shopify has got you covered in this aspect. Its strong security system and reliable hosting have endeared it to many online retailers. While there are some people who may take security and reliability as minor issues, they are major issues to those who want to build huge incomes from their online shops. Having security and reliability issues settled on the onset makes it easy for you to grow your business without having to worry about the security or reliability of your store. Moreover, due to the nature of customer information your site will be handling, you should be able to guarantee the security of such information.
Most of the critical customer information you will be handled through your e-commerce include credit card information and bank details. Your customers expect your site to be online all the time and it should be fast in loading. Shopify takes care of these issues, and all you need to do is concentrate on selling your products. Mobile responsiveness is a great benefit. Web 2.0 has brought with it websites that are responsive to smaller screens.
With a large number of people accessing the internet through their mobile phones, you are left with no choice but to make your website mobile-friendly. If your online store is not easily accessible using mobile phones, then you will lose most of your customers to your competitors. A mobile-friendly site increases customer experience and will eventually increase your sales. Most people will shift from using their desktops to access the internet to their mobile phones. Therefore, having a mobile responsive site will make your online business future-proof.
With most people using their phones to shop online, it is important to develop a mobile app. Such an app would allow your customers to access your store straight from their mobile phones. You can track your orders, edit and update your products, and manage your shop from the phone. Apart from the mobile apps, there are numerous apps, similar to plugins on WordPress, that you can install and activate on your store to help you add flexibility to your store. Installing and activating these apps is easy and simple, hence allowing you the flexibility needed to enhance customer experience in your store.
As an online retailer, you want a secure and reliable payment gateway. The payment solution you have should allow your customers to pay using different forms of payment options. While this is a big issue for self-hosted e-commerce sites, it is not an issue for those using Shopify that makes it easy for you to set up the payment gateway. The platform has developed a Stripe payment option, which allows you and your customers to make transactions without incurring any fees.
You also benefit from their lower credit card fees and also the fact that you do not need a merchant account to enjoy Stripe services. If your customers do not have credit cards, it is possible for them to use other means such as PayPal to pay for the goods they buy from your online store. This makes it possible for you to offer flexibility to your customers. Shopify makes it possible for your store name to appear on the customer statement as the charging entity. This is a great way of branding your store, which in turn creates brand loyalty and trust.
Visuals are critical to the success of your online store. Having a visually appealing store will put you ahead in this business. When visitors land on your online store, all they see is the images and pictures you use to display your products. It is, therefore, important to ensure the site is visually appealing to keep people coming back to your store. They have developed themes and layouts that will help you create a professional and visually appealing web store.
If you have some little knowledge of coding, you can customize your own store to look the way you want. This is one of the best things about the Shopify platform. You can edit your product description, change pictures and images as well as titles. Shopify offers you an affordable pricing plan for your store. Shopify has become very popular with startups as well as established stores around the world.
Compared to the benefits you get for using the platform, it is worth it. More importantly, if you want to leave Shopify, you can sell it using the platform's internal system. Once you have set up your online store, it is important to optimize it for search engines. Search engine optimization is critical for ensuring your web store is found by those searching for your products. Shopify enhances your ability to build landing pages for your campaigns, which is one of the distinguishing factors from other online shopping carts and e-commerce platforms. It also allows custom title tags and meta tags for better SEO.
Over 50% of those who fill their carts with products leave without buying the product. This staggering discovery has pushed Shopify to create an interesting feature that sends email reminders to those who have not completed their purchases. This makes it possible for you to increase your conversion rate as more people tend to complete the purchase once they are reminded.
When starting an online store, Shopify is a great solution. If you are not making any profit from your online store, you can always cancel the subscription and close your shop. This flexibility allows you to try out different models and ideas.
Please share the video, subscribe to our channel.